Yeah. What's up guys, Mr. Tutor here, back in another video. This is not Slime Rancher. You can see that this is not Slime Rancher because there's no slimes. I don't see any slimes anywhere. And I'm not holding up my controller. So I got this dig a dozen gem blocks. And then there's 12 blocks, because that's a dozen. 12 different stones, and then 12 illustrating cards. There's cards, pictures, stuff right here. It says real stones. Break open the block to find the real gem inside. And then all the gems you can find probably wouldn't work if I put it, because the text would be too small. But there's Unkite, Snowflake, Obsidian, Lapis Lazuli, Amazonite. Oh wait, yeah, that reminds me. I did get this on Amazon, and my dad will put the link in the description in case you want to get it too. Solidite, red jasper, orange calcite, amethyst, rhodonite, Persian Gulf, agate, halite, and then Dalmatian jasper. Yeah, that's all the things it says right here, all the crystals. So yeah, I will start to open this. I just need to rip. Okay, yes, I took off this plastic. Whatever, we don't need that, okay. So I need to push down this way and then try to put it so like where you can see it too, but that's kind of hard. Oh, I can do that. Okay, please ignore the sound. Here's a gem block. I just rip open this, I guess. Oh no! Well, they all came in a container thing. I guess I'll take this out. Yeah, that's actually really cool. They have a dictionary, and then all the crystals. Wait, I'm pretty sure you can do. Yeah, shows you all the crystals. Here's this side, and then here's this side. That's cool. They had like a kind of dictionary and stuff, and then they have in 3 different languages. We have the cards. And then we have a set of tools. Now, I don't know if they're good or not. Okay. So here's the tools. Knife, paintbrush, knife, paintbrush. Okay, well, I do know that you can put all the crystal stuff in here. Gem blocks, I'll just stack them up over here, because, yeah, I can't. Gem blocks, please do not fall. I'm trying not for you to fall. Okay, well, here's my wall of gem blocks. That's gonna be right there. Here's one gem block. Okay, yeah, these scissors are really effective, so I cut off a part. I meant to show you that if you use the scissors, they're a lot more efficient than your hands. But yeah, this is the crystal. Do I do this? I have to open this. You know, this is actually going to be really hard, but I can dig, so that's cool. How do you open this? Yeah, I think I might have to cut to when I finally open this. Yes, these plastic tools, they're not really good. Probably can't see this, but I made a hole in this, and it took like a minute just to make a tiny thing. Did nothing. My dad got me a little hammer, but you have to be careful with it, because if you go really fast and touch it, tiny touch, and really slow, nothing. But you go, whoop, then it's definitely gonna hurt. So yeah, so I will break this with hammer. Oh, that's loud.
Just do it harder.
Oh, wait. Dig. Yep. Ooh. Dig. Dig. Did I find something yet? Who knows? Tiny paintbrush. Still really bad. Did I find anything? Not yet. What? I found something. I think it's snowflake obsidian. Oh yeah. Yep, that is black. Okay, paintbrush. First toss it. Paintbrush. Ooh, that looks nice. Thank you, hammer. You are nice. At least I know what it is. Well, I think it's black. Ooh. Yeah, I got it. Now I just need to wash it and stuff. Paintbrush. I still don't know what this is. I think I need to wash it. Especially my hands.
Alright, yeah. I'm gonna do it up here so that way it doesn't get my dad's lock dirty, so then he gets mad at me. So I'm gonna do it out here and like break all the crystal stuff out here, and then I can show you it all, and then I can go inside, wash it all, and then that will be done. And also I can make a ton of noise out here. Test subject number 1. Go. Oh yay, we found it! This seems to be orange calcite. Also, I forgot to show you about the first one. Yes, it is snowflake obsidian. This side number 1, side number 2. Boom, 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 boom. That seems to be red jasper. Yeah. I'll just put it right there. Smash, 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 smash. Wait, what?
Is there anything in?
Oh, that's what it is. I didn't see it because it like camouflaged. Da 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 da. Oh yay! Don't know what that is either. 4, 5, 6. Oh, this
We're
is
halfway through.
yeah, halfway.
There you go.
Yeah.
There it is.
Oh wait, really? Oh, yeah. Oh yay! I think that's. Yes, it's amethyst! It's amethyst! Oh my gosh, it's amethyst. I love amethyst, especially for Minecraft, because when you walk on amethyst in Minecraft, it sounds super nice. Yeah. What is this? To be continued. Alright, the final 2. What? This is clear stone. No, that's not on the list, but it looks like it's transparent or see-through. The final one. Thankfully I got amethyst.
There it is.
Yeah! And right here is our collection of crystals.
Now let's go clean them.
Alright, we're back after cleaning all the stuff. And we have all of these, all the crystals. So apparently the 12 box over there, you probably don't see it at the moment, but the 12 box, it actually came with all 12 crystals, which is actually really nice. So then like if you get like another one, you'll get a complete set. This is halite. Kind of looks like marble or something, but it's not. This definitely looks like marble, but this is Dalmatian jasper. This is Persian gold agate. This is rhodonite. This is like pink gem, pink marble or something. This is the orange calcite. Kind of like a shark tooth or a triangle. The weird part is that it kind of looks like you can put it on a guitar and beat the string go. But yeah, this is the amethyst. It looks really cool. So I like the amethyst. There's a reason why I said the amethyst, because it looks really cool. This red jasper also looks pretty neat. Solidite. Wait. I don't know. Comment down below if left team is lapis lazuli solidite or right team is lapis lazuli solidite, because I still have no idea which one. Actually, I think it goes like this because this has the marks that are on the picture. This is Amazonite. Link in description in case you want to get it too. Snowflake obsidian. That was the first one. Cleaned it off. And this is uncut, which kind of looks like raw copper or actual salmon from Minecraft and real life. That's all the stuff. And also, I will be unboxing these cards. Wait, where did I accidentally?
Scissors.
Oh, I forgot I do have scissors. But you know, it would be fun if I could do it Wait a minute.
What are you gonna do with these gems now that you got them?
I'm just gonna put it on my shelf because they look cool, so they would be a super cool looking addition. Okay, now I get to open this stuff.
You're not gonna get an affinity gauntlet and put them in?
Actually, no. The reality stone. Oh wait, I don't have the green. I don't have the space stone or the mind stone.
Yeah.
Dang it! Yeah. Okay, so what are these cards? Persian Gulf Agate, and then it has this part E, and then we have this part. So basically all it is a picture of it being cut in half and stuff, and then on the back it has a description. It's kind of like this dictionary thing. Now it's actually really cool because it's kind of like your average Pokemon cards, but this time it's for your gems. So yeah, that's Persian Gulf, Amazonite. I'll just read the amethyst. So, amethyst is a purple color variety of quartz. It is the most popular purple gem and one of the most popular gemstones of all time. We even use the word amethyst to describe a color like we do with grape or plum. But not all amethysts are the same shape. While often they are a deep dark purple, some are so barely purple that you can hardly see color. But if you're not a fan of purple, no problem. Heating an amethyst will turn it greenish yellow. Amethyst can be greenish yellow? I honestly had no idea, but it says heating an amethyst will turn it greenish yellow. I mean, I could actually try it and see if it'll turn that, but I don't want to risk it. But yeah, I just read one card for you, and that will wrap up this video. Thanks for watching. Mr. Toto out.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you do, please like and subscribe. Mr. Toto out.